The year 2098, a world that craves power and seeks to dominate the other. Love is a luxury here, one that demands a heavy price.
Order, order, order in the court. The Dagra Court of 14th February 2098 is now in session. Arya Kul Samartho.
Arya Kul Samartho.
All right, let's get to business. Miss Prerna here has been charged with Section 87 of the Arya Smriti. She has loved a man not chosen for her by her parents. In committing such acts, she has violated the very ethos of our civilization. Accused, what do you have to say for yourself?
I fell in love with somebody my parents didn't choose, is what I'm being charged with? What makes this court think so?
Why don't you ask that to the evidence we have? Prosecution.
Your Honor, the prosecution would like to confirm that through the evidence we have received, which is the screenshot of the chat shared between the two, we can clearly deduce that the two have decided to be in love with each other without the permission of their parents, and hence have continually violated several laws of the RS Smriti. We see how in the first screenshot itself, they have decided to meet outside the surveillance zone of Dagra. They have further openly discussed their love and have planned a resistance against Sarkar. Thus, they cannot be forgiven and are punishable.
All right. So, what if I was in a romantic relationship? So, what if he was chosen by me and not by my family? Love is love. How is it a crime?
By pursuing a romantic relationship, you have defiled yourself. You are young, which itself renders you incapable of making the right decision. And a woman, which makes you further irrational. Hence, you cannot make decisions which have no repercussions. Our society places you women on a pedestal to protect you from the repercussions. It is young, foolish girls like you who push everyone down with the crimes you've committed. You have committed a sin and you have questions? How stupid!
Enough, enough. Order, order in the court. You have committed a crime and are facing the music for it. Do not complain. If we don't punish you, soon all the girls will think they can prance about and do whatever they please, embroiling our society in chaos.
You know, the way I feel for you, is this unnatural?
No, dear. This is real. This is what is natural.
I wish things weren't the same with us.
Leave this. You know, I dream of a home with you. Near this lake. And maybe someday a child or two.
Imagine our child.
Our child.
But again, will we be ever free from this?
Hey,
So we meet again?
I hope so. वैसे पता है आज वो क्या कह रहे थे? आज वो कह रहे थे कि प्यार व्याह सब मोह माया है. And there's just one duty in this world. Duty towards this राष्ट्र. Towards सरकार जी. बाकी everything else is forwarded for them.
Like literally. Oh God.
Something is not right. Officer, report to station 7 immediately.
What's going on, sir?
Some romancing in Dakra happening. You know what that means, don't you?
Ah, some fish to catch. Code pink. I repeat, code pink. We need to stop this right now.
Footage located within a 2-kilometer radius of the center of the city. Your job is to find these people and arrest them. Update Big Brother. I must call him.
Arya Kul Samartho.
Harikul Samatho. Harikul Samatho. We found another pair of imbeciles in dark web trying to romance. Such uncultured brats.
I'm assuming Code Pink is in operation.
Oh, yes, of course.
Zaban संभाल के बात कर. Talking with such a nonchalant attitude. Zuban काट के सड़क पे फेंक दूंगा. Should I show you what I'm made of?
No, sir, no. Harikul Samatho. Harikul Samatho.
Arya Kul Samartho.
I think she's close, sir.
Right, it says she has black eyes, fair skin, and long thick hair, and is of average height.
So many women fall under that. But of course, other women are pure. How about I take her to the bushes for an hour or two, sir? We'll remind her of her aukat and subdue enough for the court proceedings too.
No. Big Brother has a special interest in her. Don't even think of laying a finger unless you have a death wish.
Where I see her? Hands up! You are under arrest. Sir, I have them.
See, look at her expression. Her eyes widened in shock, love and concern. There's your evidence. She's guilty. Guilty.
How can you? But
I hence pronounce Miss Prerna guilty under section 87 of the Arya Smriti.
No, this isn't fair. How dare you haul me away like this? I wasn't allowed to speak.
Now that we've established that Miss Prerna is indeed guilty of her crime, it is time for us to determine the punishment she must undergo to pay for her sins. Thoughts?
Well, we know where women like her go. Let her be put in the service of the Sarkarji. Too many dreams of running off with men, huh? She will know what a real man is like now.
No, that is too great an honor for a shameless woman like her. I suggest we kill her, execution style. Make it a public spectacle. Let the elephant do his job.
I disagree. That woman must be shown her place. And what better way to do than introduce her to the boss?
No, you're absolutely wrong. How could you think of that?
Of course, that is how it should be.
You're mad? Have you been mad?
I call for that.
No. We should do it my way. I know I'm correct. I know that.
No, we shouldn't do it according to your way.
Order. Oh my goodness. Even in these meetings, must I mind your decorum? We shall take her into judicial custody tomorrow. Take her home. Let her know what a shame she has done to her parents.
Tomorrow she will be taken into judicial custody. A dishonorable death or a dishonorable custody. Punishment. It's better she dies from my hand. I'll kill her. Hello, beta. What are you doing?
I was just going through these legal documents, Baba. It makes me feel so angry, Baba. They don't have even sufficient evidences for me, and still they are charging me for that. I don't know, Baba. It feels so bad. It makes me feel so angry, Baba. I don't know what to do.
Have some nimbu pani, beta. Cool. Have some nimbu pani.
What's happening? My throat is burning, Farah. What's happening? Why are you crying?
I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. You made me do all of this, beta. I was watching you and your child boyfriend that child, and didn't you know that I and my junior leaked all our friends? Beta, you shouldn't have done this. Beta. You taken our family ka honor. Big brother won't leave us. He will destroy the whole community, beta. And I was born to do it, beta. Yeah, beta.
You betrayed me.
I had to kill you. I didn't have any other option.
You betrayed me, Baba. What have you done to Parth, Baba?
I didn't have any other option.
What have you done to him?
I killed him. You made me kill him, beta.
You killed him?
Yeah, I killed him.
I hate you. I hate you all. What have you done to us? Why can't you let us live? सिर्फ प्यार ही तो किया था, बाबा. सिर्फ प्यार ही किया था.
I'm really sorry, beta. I'm really sorry.
मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरी महबूब न मांग. इंटरनेट की डार्क गलियों में एक बार इस कविता से रूबरू हुई थी, हैरान हुई थी, माइल्डली ऑफेंडेड भी. इफ़ यू चूज टू लव देन लव विद एवरी फाइबर ऑफ योर बीइंग. ये पहली सी मोहब्बत क्यों बदली? पर किसी से पूछने की हिम्मत नहीं कर पाई. आफ्टर ऑल द डार्क नेट इज अ प्रोहिबिटेड स्पेस. प्रोहिबिटेड स्पेस फॉर ऑल. प्रोहिबिटेड स्पेस स्पेशली फॉर women. Good women, संस्कारी women, they don't act in such sinful ways. ये पोएम क्या, इससे जुड़े जज्बात भी मुझे मौत के घाट उतार सकते थे. पर वो कहते हैं ना, एक बार प्यार हो जाए then boss you are in for trouble. पर यह तो literal trouble था. I was in love with a guy and my parents didn't know, and I was to only love the man my parents pointed out to me. Overnight I transformed from the संस्कारी बेटी to the demoness. प्यार की वजह से. कैन यू बिलीव इट? बिलीव तो मुझसे भी नहीं होता. प्यार से नफरत करने वालों, तुम लोग जी कैसे लेते हो? एंड माइंड यू, ये सूट बूट में बैठे मर्द ही नहीं, पड़ोस की उर्मिला काकी, घर के चाची मामी भी है. विमेन और हिम्मत. काश औरत होके हम हिम्मत कर पाते. मेरे प्यार को इस सरकार की पॉलिसीज़ के साथ मत बांधो. मेरे प्यार को मेरे पैर की जंजीरें नहीं, घुंघरू बना दो. काश एक बार ये खुल के कहा होता. अपनों के तरफ कंपैशन दिखाओ. आफ्टर ऑल कंपैशन इज अ वुमनली वर्च्यू. उसी का फ़ायदा उठाओ. कमरबंद और चोकर नेकलेस के बहाने अपने और अपनों के वॉइसेस को सप्रेस करने के बजाय औरत होके दूसरे औरतों की आज़ादी के लिए लड़ो. तो आज क्लियरली टू द पॉइंट कहती हूँ तुमसे गांधारी, अपने आँखों की पट्टी खोलो. द्रौपदी आज चुप है. उसे जितना रोना था रो चुकी, जितने आंसू बहाने थे बहा चुकी, जितनी विनतियाँ करनी थी कर चुकी. पर बहरों से कहती ही क्या. आज उसकी चुप्पी को समझो. अक्सर शब्द धोखा दे देते हैं, इसलिए आंखों में लिपटी ये पट्टियाँ खोलो और उसके चेहरे पे साफ नज़र आ रही उन क्रोध के लकीरों को देखो. खड़ी हो जाओ गांधारी. सी, रिमेंबर एंड अंडरस्टैंड. एक पुरुष हो या 5, ये निर्णय पांचाली करेगी. ये कोई आधार नहीं होता उसको अपमानित करने का. प्यार को पर्सनल ही रहने दो. इसे शतरंज का खेल मत बनाओ. जिस राष्ट्र में आज़ादी के लिए चाहना क्रिमिनल एक्शन हो जाए, वहाँ आज़ादी के नारे लगाना ज़रूरी हो जाता है माय लॉर्ड. तुम भी चिल्ला के बोलो. हाँ बोलो गांधारी, बोलो अपने धृतराष्ट्र से. महाभारत तो फिर भी कंपल्सरी सिलेबस है, अनलाइक द बैंड पोएम आई रेड ऑन द डार्क नेट. पर मज़े की बात पता है क्या है? आखिरकार समझ आ ही गया फैज़ कि ऐसा क्या देखा होगा तुमने जो तुम ये कह गए. मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरी महबूब न मांग. मुझसे पहली सी मोहब्बत मेरी महबूब न मांग.